Hi guys, do you know where I'm at? Hint, 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 look right there. Alright, it's a Friday, it's a madhouse, but I'm here at the Disney Character Warehouse. I'm going to go in, I'm going to see what they have, if there's anything new, anything fun. Prices have gone down, I don't know. But it's pretty busy here, so let's check it out. Alright, here we go. Let's check it out. Uh-oh, we've got bags galore. We've got misting fans for $9.99. They have purple and blue and, oh, gray and pink for $9.99. Oh, what are these? Okay, $29.99, and you get this. You get this for 30 bucks. Originally $80. And then you can buy the little finger puppets and play with it. Oh, how cool. Wow, 30 bucks. I mean, yeah, it's just cardboard, but how fun is that? Alright, now we have the Doonies, and we have all kinds of styles, patterns. 137. This smaller bag's 137. Bigger bag is, here we go, 180. And this one is Alice in Wonderland. This one has the horse on it. Alice in Wonderland. But, oh, we got more of the horse. I know I'm probably 179 for this one. I don't care for this one too much. I mean the style. I don't like the style as much. I like the nice little tote bags that zip up. These little, like this one. But this is a different style. And, well, no, it's actually the same style as that. It's just this one's bigger. And look at this pretty pink one. This one's a nice big one. 197. And it has a, does it have a zipper in there? Yep, it has a zipper on the inside. Alright, Peter Pan role play set. It's an 8-piece set. Let's see what's in it. It looks like a treasure chest. Okay, you got a little mustache, you got the hats, sword, pipe. Alrighty. Also available. I think this you would have to pay for separately, and I don't see it here. But this is $14.99, and that must have went down because there's another price underneath. They still have a lot of Halloween stuff. The ears are up to $14.99. Oh, we got some jewelry over here. A necklace. What's the price? Oh no, it's a bracelet. Oh my goodness. We can't afford anything up there, or down here, or even down here. I guess we can't afford anything inside here. All right, bye-bye. Yeah, they still have the same stuff, same price. I'm not seeing a price change in anything, and they have a lot of stuff. This is a 25 mini puzzles inside here for 15. You got Hanukkah stuff. Slippers for $9.99. You got Timothy the Mouse for $30. These originally $40, I think they're $21. So I'm not going to give you prices on everything unless I see a big price change. These are $5.99. Okay, the neon ones, you buy two, you get one free, and they're all $8.99, and they have a lot of them. We have a Mickey and a Minnie, but I don't know if I really want to buy any more. Oh, this sweater's pretty.
All right, so you want to go?
And $45, but it's pretty soft too. This t-shirt, what's it say?
Why is it? I don't think it was.
No. $26. I had not seen that, but that is cute. Okay, we have some other Christmassy. You got a Christmas dog bowl. But why would I want a Christmas dog bowl? You just bring it out at Christmas? That's too much work. There are some ornaments here. And there is a small Christmas group. I believe he is $25. Little Bo Peep. You got the girl from Brave. These are $12.99. Pluto's $10.99. And you got the cookie up here that smells like gingerbread. We still have more Halloween stuff. Okay, these hold water bottles. $5.99. We have these pins, huge pins, for $17.99. And we've got little girl stuff, little boy stuff, a couple different things, not many. We got a head, I think it lights up. I light up, yeah, so they light up too. But they are $15.99. Phone cases still here, but they don't have anything newer than 11 Pro. Still got a lot of boys stuff here. You got costumes in here. Yeah. Oh, and we have a doll from Rapunzel. Or it is Rapunzel, not from Rapunzel. They still have the Rapunzel dress here that's $225. There's two of them there still. There's probably more in the back. More costumes, more phone cases. And then we got stuff from the UK. We got mugs, towels. We got spatulas. I think these are still $10.99. Oven mitts, $7.99. And this one has dogs on it. So they have a lot of wintery items here. It just like all came in. There's jackets, sweaters. There's even the 50th jackets over there. You got reusable straws. These are $8.99. I believe there is 4 of them in there. And it comes with a little cleaner. They're really good since they don't use real straws anymore. Look at Dopey. Oh my goodness. $20.99 for that. Oh, it's pretty. Let me pick the stand back up. Look at how cute that is, though. I like that. Let me see, do we have anything different? Look at $10.99. That is cute. Let me see, we just have, no, Pinocchio. Oh, look at this. It's like a spirit jersey for girls, but look at the design on it. I like that. $26. What's on the back? Oh, it says Walt Disney World, and it has the princesses on the back. Oh, look it. We have some pretty glasses from Epcot. Oops. Oh, nah, just joking. It's not glass. Look at Darth Vader's on the front of this one. So let's see what's all on the front. We've got... Oh, is that an alien? Donald? Mickey? Is that Star Wars? Or Marvel? One of the two. I can't see it with my eyes. It's just too hard. If you know what that is, comment down below and tell me what it is. Uh-oh. And then, what's on the front of this? Oh, that's the Stormtrooper. And we got Minnie. Alright, these are new. $29.99. $45 for the frogs. We have some springtime surprise weekend Run Disney. $38 for these spirit jerseys.
If it was in a bigger size.
Alice in Wonderland for $26. And this one's a 2X, but it is huge. So I say these run big. There is a jean Spirit jersey, which I like, but they want $51 for it. And then everybody remembers these sweaters. They're here for $56. Alright, this, what did I say, $45. It's cute though. And they still have the Spirit jersey from Sweetest Pie Spirit jersey. They have, okay, $91, and it's for the 50th. But this 50th sweatshirt, it's not a Spirit jersey, just a sweatshirt. It's $50. Nothing on the back, it just has the 50 on the front. Oh, Mickey Valentine's Day, $26. That's too much. Rain jackets are $31. Alright, now I found this Star Wars. I'm trying to figure out who it belongs to. I thought maybe Obi-Wan, but I think Obi-Wan's is a brown cape. But it's got the inside outfit and the jacket. Very, very heavy. But it's $100.99. Very, very heavy. I don't think I could wear this. And this is an extra small and it's heavy. These are new. Alright, I'm just gonna cruise line. Excuse me. Not really seeing. Oh, these are cute. Sweatpants. $25. I kind of like that. $30. Pullover shirt. So there's all kinds of new stuff. Oh, food and wine stuff is here. Spirit jersey. Let me see. $30 for that one. But you got a lot of sweatpants, heavier pants. These jackets that came out like very, very late last year are here. Let me see the price. $30. They're originally $65, so they're down to $30. And look at these sweatpants here. $30. I like that. That's a pretty color. Alright, they've got some Christmas ears, more Christmas stuff, Christmas dog stuff, more Christmas clothes, winter clothing. There's some newer stuff here. They did bring in some more summery clothes that I remember just seeing at the World of Disney just recently. But these sweatshirts all came in. I don't remember seeing Piglet before. Piglet's an actual zip down with the hood. I kind of like Piglet. Pins, there's a few different pins. Not too many new ones, $7.99. These are limited edition ones. Got Star Wars. They got the whole princess collection here. They even have this here. And this, I believe, is this is like a makeup bag for $83. Originally $138. So I've never really seen this Stony Clover, but Stony Clover is not cheap. This little backpack here, originally $208, $125 now. So yeah, I don't know who it is. Well, $10.99, and I can smell you. I lean in and that's all I can do is smell him. And then you got Minnie and Mickey Happy V-Day. 2022, they're cute. Wait a minute. Oh, for a minute there I thought I smelled chocolate, but I guess not. Oh, look at how cute. From Shanghai. $15.99. You got Mickey. And you got more Doonies. Well, it's really nice to see the store busy again. There's a lot of people here, so it's gotten back to being busy. But it's nice because that means they're getting rid of stuff and maybe prices will start going down. Alright guys, first time back to the outlet in a long time. I think it was Easter. I think Easter was the last time I was here. Yeah, I don't get out much anymore. I stay closer to home. it's a little harder on me to get farther out this way. So when I do get here, I will film. But I will let you know in my next video there will be a surprise store. I'm going to tell you anyways. We're going to head over to that new Disney store that's on International. Go check it out, see what's in there, see what the prices look like. But as always, we had fun in there. Did buy those straws, the pack of 4 straws, because I don't like using paper straws. I don't like them. So I got to keep that with me. So that being said, we are done here. Now, don't forget, I like comments. So comment down below what you've seen in here that you liked or what you wish you could have. Since I'm not really doing shopping anymore here, I try to give you prices. So don't forget to make sure you're subscribed. Hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Comment. And as always, thank you for being here. And I love you all. Bye.